Hello everyone, welcome back to Fundrise Finance. So we have come to the end of July 2023 and year to date we see the S&P 500 notch 2.20% gains for the year. We did have some wobbles in the month of March due to the banking issues, but besides that, the market has been pretty steadily climbing month over month, and the majority of the rally is driven by the big tech companies from technology and communication sectors. We can see Nvidia here up almost 220% of the year, then Meta up almost 165%, Tesla 117%. These huge gains just make your Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft, which are anywhere between 40 to 60% for the year, look very small. The Dow Jones has not done that greatly so far. In fact, the 7.3% returns for the year are majorly driven in the last 1 month, where it has seen gains of upwards of 3%. So, yeah, will this rally sustain or not? We don't know. Will there be a huge correction in the upcoming months? Don't know. But what we know is as long as we invest into quality companies, ETFs, and as long as those companies are dividend payers, one thing that almost sure is the dividends in your portfolio will keep on growing. That's the primary motive of my portfolio also. And so in today's video, I'm going to go over how much my portfolio generated as dividends in the month of July. So without any further delay, let's check it out. Starting as usual with my M1 portfolio, which I have already started the process of transferring into my Fidelity portfolio. Now why I'm doing it, the entire process is what I will document in another video in the near future. So that process already started. So all my fractional shares have already been sold out in this portfolio. That's why we see my buying power slightly higher. Overall, this portfolio is worth $25,500 or something, of which I've earned dividends $1,552 so far. So looking at the dividends here, in the month of July, we see $1.72 here from Coca-Cola, $1.33 from Genuine Parts, $3.75 from UGI Corp, $4.11 from VOO, $3.93 from Vici, $6.62 from JP, $5.69 from JetQ, $12.23 from Altria, $2.54 from Merck, $2.90 from Medical Properties, $2.76 from Medtronic, $2.76 from Leggett & Platt, $1.54 from Realty Income, $3.49 from WP Carey, $2.85 from Cisco, $4.64 from Comcast, 95 cents from Oracle, $3.26 from Devo, $3.36 from Edison International, and finally $3.64 from JP Morgan. This is my Google Sheets tracker for all of my portfolios. What we see here is for the M1 portfolio. And like I said, its value is $25,536 currently, giving me an annual income of $990.40 at a yield of 3.88%. So adding up all the dividends that we saw in the previous screen from M1, it comes down to $72.07 as my July payments here, which is like I would say almost $10 higher than the April payment. That's the first month of the last quarter. And we're comparing it to July of last year, where it was $55. So almost I would say $17 more than that. Looking quarterly, we see this yellow line slowly starting to rise. Hopefully by end of this quarter, we should see it higher than Q2 value. Annually, the number stands just below $500. So hopefully by end of this quarter, this number should be higher than the 2022 number with one whole quarter remaining. Now looking at the favorite chart of mine, that's the dividends growth by quarter. So by end of this quarter, I should hope to see this value higher than the Q2 value. Let's look at expected dividends in my M1 portfolio for the month of August. We should expect dividend payments from AT&T, Verizon, Airports and Chemicals, AbbVie, Kinder Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Realty Income, Monthly Payer, Axis Instruments, Caterpillar, Citigroup, and Arbor Realty. So that's close to $54 of pure passive income that you can earn without any effort. Coming to the second part of my portfolio, which is from Fidelity, where the current value stands just under $40,000, giving me an annual income of $1,367 at a yield of 3.42%. Looking at the dividends received here in the month of July, we have 88 cents from Main Street Capital, that's a monthly payer, $2.48 from Huntington Bankshares, 93 cents from ADP, 69 cents from Broadridge Financial, $3.45 from Best Buy, 41 cents from JetQ, and 39 cents from JP. So I have a one share of each of these in this portfolio. $3.44 from American Tower, $2.83 from Philip Morris, 58 cents from International Flavors, 93 cents from Chubb, 85 cents from Amphenol, $1.55 from Mondelez, $1.73 from Franklin Resources, a whole $48 from US Bangkok, $3.04 from Federal Realty. The Main Street paid me again here, that's 91 cents, 45 cents from IDEX Corp, 50 cents from QQQ, and finally $23 from SPAXX, where I get a juicy yield of 4.75% for all the cash I hold in this portfolio. Overall, the total comes down to $97.04. Looking at quarterly, we see this line slowly starting to creep up. Annually, number is $100 higher than what it was for the entire of 2022. That's wonderful to see. Dividends by quarter chart. Q2 was a monster quarter here, giving me just under $300, and I'm like one third of it already. So yeah, let's see what the remaining 2 months give me here. Looking at the expected dividends in my Fidelity portfolio for the month of August, you can expect payments from General Dynamics, Unmain Holdings, Northwest Bank Shares, Abbott Labs, Smith, Normal Foods, Main Street Capital, again another monthly payer, Mega Healthcare, Procter & Gamble, checks, Clorox, it's close to $27 passive income. Finally, the third part of my portfolio, which is from Acorns. So the current value is rounded of $6,230. Like I always say, this has been my first portfolio to start my investing journey with back in late 2017. And I stuck with it through all the ups and downs of the market, including the COVID crash. So as you can see here, my portfolio value here in Acorns dipped down to less than $1,000, but the constant investments into this portfolio has continued through its lifetime. There were further wobbles here in 2022, but after that, the portfolio just took off in 2023. I just have $25 here going every week, along with any of the round of investments that include all of my purchases. I've made videos in the past on icons, and for anybody who is just starting to invest, I feel this is a wonderful vehicle to begin with. That's what I did. I started with icons, and slowly as I gained more knowledge, and then I branched out into other brokerage portfolios. This is my set it and forget portfolio. I just look at it once every month when I make these portfolio videos. So this is the tracker for this portfolio. As you see, the value is $6,230. The annual income of almost $119. The yield of 1.91%. It's a simple four-fund portfolio with VOO being 55%. That's like the S&P 500, mostly large cap. And IJH, that's the mid cap, 10%. IJR, small cap, 5%. And IXUS, the international, at 30%. In this portfolio, I received a dividend from VOO on July 5th for $12.52. And that's what is captured into this portfolio tracker. So it's just a smooth and steady portfolio. Annual incomes almost $55 so far. Yeah, by the end of the year, numbers should be going higher than the 2022. Overall, it's just first free portfolio, simple to manage. Now looking at overall numbers, you can see the current portfolio value is $71,715 with an annual income of $2,476, giving me a yield of 3.75%. So yeah, hitting that sweet spot of $25 soon over here. Excited to see that number. Annually looking over here, we see overall 2023 is $1,119. So maybe hopefully by end of Q3 itself, I should be able to either match or go higher than the 2022 value. Let's see for the next 2 months pan out. So overall for Q3, that just includes July so far, we have earned $181.63. Looking at the dividends growth by quarter chart, I am one third the distance of what it was in Q2. So yeah, hope either matching Q2 or surpassing it. Going beyond that would be awesome. Let's see. Looking at other goals and metrics, I surely hope to hit those 2500 goal by the end of this quarter. And other dividend metrics, these are some fun metrics to look at, but also matter a lot when I look at a long-term scope, whether I can sustain to live on the dividends from my portfolios. You can say monthly, I'm currently earning $206, weekly $47.62, daily $6.78. On a 24-hour basis, it's like 28 cents per hour. But if I were to look at an 8-hour workday, that would be $1.19. These fun metrics matter a lot as you go into the retirement age. Yeah, just long-term thinking. And you can see here, just constantly investing into the market, not getting phased out by the face-ripping rallies or the shocking dips. This all doesn't matter. In the long run, the market will reward you. That's a simple mantra. A disciplined investor will always look to invest into the market, no matter it's up or down. In fact, if it is down and if financially feasible, the investments should go higher, like how it was in the last year, 2022. The markets were beaten up so badly through October, and we see now the markets are just rewarding those patient investors. That's all I have in this video. Hopefully, you all found it valuable. So, yeah, until we meet in the next video, let's try to be financially healthy as much as possible and keep taking those small strides towards financial freedom. See ya. Bye.